Hello guys, well done out there. Welcome back to another episode of the Imebo High Court. We still there. The reason matter from how the matter they come and how the matter they run. I deal with my main person here.
What my people can say to me for the first time? I go back to name Sylvanus, the comedy son of comedy, is royal talkative online Zadi.
Today matter where they table like this, na matter where concern kidnapping, kidnapper, Evans. I remember last 2 months, when they said they sentence and life, or sentence to death by hanging.
Yes.
And the same matter again this week again, still come out again, say then they sentenced them to 21 years in prison.
Yeah, wow.
The matter they tire me because this our country where we there, African China say corruption. I know my people and they know themselves. Because now they be this country where we there, and they go say we get law. They don't be the same person where they sentenced by death in hanging. Now they see they sentenced 21 years imprisonment.
You don't know the way they want to do it. They'll first kill. I want the killer. They'll call put dead body for prison.
What do you mean they ask now? Be say who they want go put for prison for the 21 years? Say now the spirit they want go put.
Not the dead body now.
They'll go put the dead body for 21 years.
What is 21 years? They'll call release it. After 21 years, they'll call release the dead body to the family. Now, is it they want to be that? No. Because I know that this country, a lot of things have happened. People say, I don't want to call names. There are some people who say they get underground. We say that they kill small children. Years ago, we say they kill them. After some years, they see them from abroad. Say just live a life, all stuff. All these kidnappers, all these armed robbers within this country, everything where they happen. Most of our leaders has hand. They get hand for everything where they happen. Because I don't know, I don't charge person, you are not sentence them to death by hanging. We say people don't even believe so time this guy is going, they will kill him because of what he don't do, because he's a for that fucking billionaire, he get money, and where you see the money through kidnapping, and now they say they don't sentence them. This country, person with the thief mangi 9 that they kill, person with the steal 20 now, people with the steal billions of dollars in this country, they don't even see the matter, they don't look their way at all, because if they want to talk, they'll use money block their mouth. That's it. Because this Evans, I know that most of our leaders, they know him, and I know say he go get secrets with them, so they don't want them to kill this guy.
I mean, if you hear the Maggi, not be my own Maggi-licious baby. Like the Maggi where then they use the cook. Still on Evans, the kidnapper matter. But me, I just get to talk about this matter. We say, this is our country. May God help us.
May God help us.
Because if you no get money,
you are done.
The way where your matter they be is different with person.
I swear, we owe.
Okay, now then they give Evans different charges according to waiting them they say that they discover, according to waiting law they talk about a matter. If now poor man do this kind of thing now, since I won't even tell you the matter. This matter for don't even die, for don't bury since. But waiting can happen be say because say money they one person side, then go treat his own matter very different. Like say maybe now God visit in house, and same God now he creates all of us. Now he make all of us we dey like this. Make this country, I beg. All this he go better of this generation, from generation to generation. If I deal with person when they tell me say Nigeria go better, go they look. Imagine they look the person.
But I believe
they born me meet this ego better, and I see there for this ego better. When I see ego better, I go sit tell my pikin say ego better.
You go see
and
better.
Country they go like this. They say one musician I say then go see white, then go call and say na black. This na pure white, and they say they call and say na black. Because last we go here say Evans matter, they don't die am up. Because judge goes say okay, they don't free the case. The case is don't free. Once judge don't finalize say don't free. Wait till you get to talk again. It's where you want to talk again. No. There's nothing where you want to talk again. Put inside. So I just beg this our country. I bet the way they treat some kind things, they carry some kind loads. They be like say. We no get, we be like say we no come from anywhere. So what can be the right of a citizen for Nigeria now you no get right again to say, and now when say we get right.
They say we get freedom of speech.
Where is the freedom now?
You see, just
then go begin to find you up and down.
In Nigeria, just get money.
Please, make una just take it easy. Both the justice, both the officers, both the people on board too. If you commit offense, you commit offense.
Sure.
Where the code where una go the code according to section this in Nigeria Constitution. You don't die, you know they again. Because I know they hear what they quote them again. They don't quote anything like that.
They say they quote them, they quote.
I beg.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you are out there and you're planning, maybe